Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, we are solving questions which are previously asked in competitive exams uh, and important for next upcoming exams like RRB, NTPC, SSC, CGL and PCS as well as NDA net. Okay, so these are the important questions and you have making your self notes after watching these videos. Okay, so we are start and your question is increase in absolute and per capita real GNP do not connote a higher level of economic development if option A industrial output fails to keep pace with agricultural output. Okay, option B is agricultural output fails to keep pace with industrial output. Option C is poverty and unemployment increase. Option D imports grow faster than exports. Okay, so option will correct, option C will be the correct answer. Okay, so poverty and unemployment increases. Okay, the correct answer is option C. Your next question is economically one of the results of the British rule in India in the 19th century was the option A increase in the export of Indian handicrafts. Option B growth in the number of Indian onward factories. Option C commercialization of Indian agriculture. Option D rapid increase in the urban population. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Option C commercialization of Indian agriculture means option C will be the correct answer. Okay, your next question is if the President of India exercises his power as provided under Article 350 of the Constitution in respect of a particular state, then option A is the Assembly of the state is automatically dissolved. Option B the powers of the legislature of the state shall be exercisable by the under authority of the parliament. Option C is Article 19 is suspended in the state. Option D the president can make laws relating to that state. Okay, so option B will be the correct answer, means the powers of the legislature of that state shall be exercisable by the under the authority of the parliament. Okay, so option B will be the correct. Okay, next question is consider the following pairs craft heritage of. First is Puthukuli shawl related to Tamil Nadu, Sujni kadhai Maharashtra, Uppada Jamdani Shadi Karnataka. Which of the pairs given above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 1 and 2 only, option C 3 only, option D 2 and 3. Okay, so friends, there is a little bit confusion in this question. I will discuss in comment section. Okay, which is the correct answer. Okay, the correct answer I will discuss in comment section. Okay, your next question is in which of the following areas can GPS technology be used? This is the most important question. Okay, this question is very important in such type of exams like RRB, NTPC, DCIO, KVS, NVS, DSSB, PGT, TGT, Computer Science and DSSB as well as UPSSC. Okay, and other states PSU's exam. Okay, these questions are very important related to science and tech. In which of the following areas can GPS technology be used? Statement 1 is mobile phone operations. Statement B is banking operations. Statement 3 is controlling the power grids. Okay, select the correct answer using the code given. Option A is 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Okay, so option D will be the correct, means statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Okay, your next question is, consider the following statements. Statement 1, the Reserve Bank of India manages and services Government of India securities but not any state government securities. Okay, statement 2, treasury bills are issued by the Government of India and there are no treasury bills issued by the state governments. Okay, statement number 3, treasury bills offer are issued at a discount from the par value. Which of the following statement is are true? Okay, option A 1 and 2 only, option B 3 only, option C 2 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. Option C will be the correct answer, means statement 2 and 3 are correct. Okay, statement 2 and 3 are correct, option 1 is false. Okay, yani it means it incorrect. Okay, next question, consider the following statements. Statement number 1, the Earth's magnetic field has reversed every few 100,000 years. Statement 2, when the Earth was created more than 4,000 million years ago, there was 54% oxygen and no carbon dioxide. Okay, statement 3rd, when living organism originated, they modified the early atmosphere of the earth. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A 1 only, option 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So option 1 and 3 are correct, means option C is correct. Okay, statement 1 and 3 are correct, means option C will be the correct answer. Okay, means 1 and 3 are correct, means when the earth was created more than 4,000 million years ago, there was 54% oxygen and no carbon dioxide. It is false. Okay, this statement will be false. Okay, so I hope friends, these questions are helpful for your upcoming exams. So you have to share this video to your friends and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, by which whenever I make a important video related to such type of competitive exams, so you get immediately notification. So subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you friends.